Hi friends, in this video we will be discussing 4 important topics for UGC NET examination. The first important topic is comprehension. In the case of comprehension, a text or passage will be given. You have to read this passage and you have to answer the questions given below the passage. See, you are reading this passage not for information but to attend all the questions. So you have to know the questions first. First you read the questions, then you go to the passage and find out the answer. These type of questions, some questions will be really very easy that you can attend in the first reading itself. Some questions will be moderately difficult and some will be tough. In the case of easy questions that you can answer in the first reading, moderately tough question you keep it for the middle of the session. Extremely tough questions, I will say you keep it in the end of the session. Next important thing is you should find out the terms and terminologies used in the passage which is mentioned in the question also. That will help you to find out the answer. Most of the time, the first 2 lines and the last 2 lines of the passage will give you the theme of the passage. So next topic I am going to discuss is communication. In the case of communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, intercultural communication. These 3 topics are extremely important. The next important topic is barriers to effective communication, then mass media and society. Moving to the next session, communication and information technology. In the case of communication and information technology, you should be thorough with general abbreviations and terminologies used in ICT, digital initiatives in education, e-content, basics of internet, audio, video conferencing, email. These things you should know thoroughly. Moving to the next session, that is higher education. In the case of higher education, the most important topic is environmental education and value education. As all of you know that we are focusing on sustainable development. We are dependent on environment and environment is also dependent on us because we can damage the environment. So this topic is extremely important. The next important topic is policies, governance and administration. In the case of policies, you should be thorough with monetary policy which is being introduced by the RBI and fiscal policy and other policies of the government. Next session that I am going to discuss is in the case of higher education, conventional and non-conventional learning programs are extremely important. So these are the important topics that you have to focus for this examination. And in the next video, I will be coming with another interesting video. If you have any doubts regarding this examination or preparation strategy, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer those questions. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. All the very best for your examination. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. All the best.